So this is week number 7 and we are going to study the topic inequality. If you remember, last week we learned two important topics. The first topic was linear equations and the second topic was linear simultaneous equations. Clear? Linear equations means if it is x plus 2 equals to 3, this is linear equation in one variable. Because one variable, so we need one equation only. And if we are writing x plus 2y is equal to 6 and 2x plus y equal to 6, this is a linear simultaneous equations. Clear? Equations. And these equations have two variables. Two variable means we need two equations. Clear? In both the cases, whether it is linear equations, we have equal sign. In linear simultaneous equation, we have equal sign. But sometimes they are not equal. Clear? If I say the value of x is 4, so that means x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 means x has a value 4. Value 4. Clear? That means what? X has one solution only. X is equal to 4. And when it have one solution only, it is called unique solution. X has a unique solution. Unique means 1. Clear? It is not always possible that we have equal sign. Equal means we have equal sign. Sometimes we have other signs also. What do you mean by other signs? This, and this. These four signs say that those equations, clear, that have equal sign are inequalities. If a equation having this sign, what is this sign? This is greater than. This is greater than. What is this? Greater than and equal to. What is this? Less than. And this is less than, equal to, and equal to. Clear? So if I say if any equation has greater than, equal to, less than, equal to symbol, then the equation is said to be inequality. What we call it? We call it inequality. Clear? Inequality means, for example, what do you mean by inequality? X plus 1 greater than 7. This is inequality. 2x plus 3 less than 4. This is inequality. Clear? Linear inequality we call it. This is linear equation. So it is linear inequality. 4x minus 1 greater than equal to 4. Clear? And one more example, let us take 2 minus 3x less than equal to 7. Clear? All these are examples of inequalities. Why inequalities we are calling? Because it have greater than, less than, greater than, equal, and less than equal symbols, signs are there. Clear? So these are inequalities, or you can simply call them linear inequalities. Okay. So what is the difference between equality and inequality? As I told you, if I am writing x is equal to say 4. So x is equal to 4 means x value is 4. And this is fixed. Fixed means it is not going to change. For exactly same. Okay. But if I'm saying x greater than 4. X greater than 4, what do you mean by? X greater than 4 means the value of x, it is greater than 4. Maybe 4.1, maybe 4.2, maybe 5, maybe 6, maybe 10, maybe 20, dot, dot, dot. There is no limit. X greater than 4, any value more than 4. So it may be 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, 1 billion, any value comes under here. That means here the solution was one number only, x is equal to 4. Here there are many values possible for x. That means x has a set of values. X has a set of values. Clear? This is x greater than 4. Here we cannot take 4. But if I tell you x greater than equal to 4, what is the meaning of this? X greater than equal to 4 means now we can take, now x can take value 4. Then 4.1, 4.2, then 5, then 10, 20, 100, any value greater than 4. So listen, here x greater than 4. So it is greater than 4, not equal 4. But here x greater than equal 4. That means the value will start at 4. Okay. This is the difference between greater than and greater than equal to. Also, if we are taking say x less than 5, what do you mean by x less than 5? The value of x will be, it is less than 5 means 4.9, 4.8, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 10, minus 100, any value, because less than 5. That means we can take positive values up to 5 only and all negative values. And what is the difference between x less than equal to 5? Then here if you see we started with 4.9, but here we will start with 5 because x less than equal 5. So we will start with 5. 5, 4.9, 4.8, dot 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 0, minus 1, minus 2, dot 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 minus 1000. Clear? Any value less than equal to 5. Okay. So this is the second important point. Okay. The third important point is if I write x is equal to 3, please try to listen me. And this is the number line. What is this called? This is called number line. Clear? If we want to draw the graph of this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. Similarly, this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Clear? This is the line, number line. So x is equal to 3 means only a single point is the solution. This is x is equal to 3. Only one point is the solution. Why? Because x is equal to 3 means only one solution. But if I am writing x greater than 3, what is the meaning of this on the number line? Because we need to draw the graph also. That we will learn here. 2, oh sorry, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is -1, -2, -3, -4. Clear? So I want to explain you both the things. What is the meaning in equal? What is the difference between equal and unequal? This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1, -2, -3, -4. Clear? If you see both are greater than 4, so greater than 3, sorry. So that means this side, all values greater than this. Means all values this side. Clear? If here is greater than 3, so we will make a circle only, open circle. It is blank. Clear? But if I want to write here, I want to make the draw means make the graph for this. So it will be black. So remember, if it is greater than or less than, it will be an empty circle. But if it is greater than, equal to or less than equal to, it will be a black circle. Clear? And we will cover this reason. Why? Because all values are there. Clear? For x is greater than equal to 3. Okay. So now I will tell you so many graphs so that you can understand. Let us take x less than equal less than -2. What do you mean by less than -2? We will draw the line. It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3, -4. So what it is? It is less than -2. Okay, so we will make a empty circle. Okay, you can call it open dot, open circle. In your material, it is written as open dot. Okay, less than means this side, this, and cover it because all values are coming in this region. So remember, if less than, clear, then the arrow will be this side. If greater than, then arrow will be this side. This is the difference between less than and greater than. Clear? If interval, if it is a interval, clear? I will solve questions for this, then it will start like this. It is simple, only this one. Interval means it is closed. This side, it is this side started, this side end. This is start and this is end. This is the point. Okay, so we will solve 3 different means variety of questions. Let us take x less than equal to 2. If we are taking x less than equal to 2, so look here, it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it is -1, -2, -3, -4. So 2 means here, and it is equal symbol is there. Equal symbol means this dot will be black. It is not open dot, it is closed, open. Less than means it will be this side. Clear? Now cover it. So all values in this region less than equal to 2. Okay, and if I want to make greater than equal to -1, if greater than equal to -1, what it will be? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1, -2, -3, -4. Greater than means this side. Okay, right side. Equal -1. Equal means it is a closed dot like this one. Okay, doing this side. Now cover it. It's very simple. Understand? But if I am taking interval, let us take minus 2 is less than equal to x less than equal to say 4. This is okay. So we will draw the number line. It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. If you see, this side is negative infinite, this side is positive infinite. Okay. So it is started at 2. 2 means, and it is an open dot. Why it is an open dot? Because it is less than only. X value is greater than minus 2. Greater than means this side. X is greater than, but X is less than 4. And also it is an open dot here. So this is the curve. This is the curve for this open dot. So this is interval. Interval means it is starting at minus 2 and at 4. This is. But if I put equal here, so immediately I need to make this circle black. And if I put equal here, this is also black. So in this lecture, we are learning two things. What is the difference between equal and inequality? Another thing we learn how to draw the graph of these inequality. Now, I want to tell you there are two important properties related to inequalities. So this is property number 1. What is the property number 1? Property number 1 is if we add means plus or subtract means minus to any inequality, its sign do not change. Means if A is greater than B, then A plus C will remain greater than B plus C. A minus C will remain greater than B minus C. And it is true for greater than, equal, less than, and less than equal. All for inequality sign, this condition is true. Okay, so let us learn with the example. Example 1, let us take 3 greater than 7. 3 greater than 7. And let us take C is equal to 4. Okay, so what it is? 3 plus 4 greater than 7 plus 4. And 3 plus 4 is 7. Greater than 7 plus 4 is, how much 7 plus 4? 11. And this is true. This is true. Okay, so no change. And if 3 minus 4 greater than 7 minus 4. So if you see 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Minus 1 is greater than 7 minus 4 is 3. Oh my God, I have taken this example wrong. Why this example wrong? I have taken, please do not consider this example. Oh, this, sorry. Okay. Why I have taken this example? Because 3 is not greater than 7. I have taken 3 greater than 7. Okay, let me explain the example. 3 less than 7. Because 3 is less than 7. Sorry. So, and taking C equals to 4. Okay, then 3 plus 4 less than 7 plus 4. And this implies 3 plus 4 is 7 is less than 11. And if you see, this is true. Similarly, if you will subtract it, 3 minus 4 is less than 7 minus 4. 3 minus 4 is minus 1, less than 7 minus 4 is 3, and this is also true. Clear? So if we add, if we plus or minus, clear, then these signs do not change. Do not change. This is property number 1. But if we see property number 2, property number 2 is with multiplication and division. If we multiply means times, and divide, then see case number A is greater than B, A is greater than B, and C is positive, C is positive, then AC will remain greater than BC, no change. But if A is greater than B and C is negative, C is negative, clear, then AC and this greater than sign will change into less than. Please remember, if C is negative, this sign change greater than to less than. Okay, so you will learn this with an example. Same example we will take. Let us take 3 is less than 7 and C is equal to 4 we took. So 3 times 4 less than 7 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12, less than 7 times 4 is 28. It is true. Clear? B. 3 is less than 7 and C equals negative 4. So 3 times negative 4 less than 7 times negative 4. 3 times negative 4 is negative 12, less than 7 times 4 is negative 28, and this is false. Negative 28, 12 cannot be less than 28. So what you need to do? You need to change the sign here. So how we are going to do it now? Please listen carefully. How we are going to do? It is 3 times minus 4. Change this greater than 7 times minus 4. 3 times it is this, minus 12 is greater than minus 28. Now this is true. Okay, so there are two important properties on inequality. If we are adding or subtracting any number, on the left and right side of the inequality, the sign of inequality do not change. And also similarly, if we are multiplying by a positive number, also the sign remains same. But whenever we are multiplying by a negative number, this greater than change into less than. Greater than equal to changes into less than equal to. Less than changing into greater than, and less than equal to changing into greater than equal to. Okay, so this we study about how to means what is the inequalities. Okay, in the next lecture we will learn how to solve the inequalities. Okay, thank you.